Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a work visa to Georgia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply Visa for Georgia, they have a good process where you first upload all the documents online, I mean scan, and then you can go to the embassy based on your location. And for certain locations, there are different process. So it's very, they will show you the location during the online process itself, which will be the relevant embassy mission processing your case. Now, in certain areas, for example, India, it has been outsourced to VFS. So we'll go through that also. So the very first thing is I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Georgia site. So we are going for e-application. So I would strongly recommend that you create an account so that even you can retrieve the application that you have submitted easily. But you can do without registration also. I'm proceeding without registration, but I strongly register. But I strongly recommend you that you register. Okay. Now here you need to choose the country because I was already on this page before. It has automatically picked up India, like from where you are applying, and I selected foreign citizen, stateless person. Let's say you are from India, okay, an Indian citizen who wants to work in Georgia. So I select this, click on next. Now service. So we'll go for immigration visa, long-term visa. So if you scroll down the list, they will show you that under what categories this visa can be issued and the fee. Okay. So D1 is the category for people arriving in Georgia to conduct labor activities, representative and consultants. So, okay. Perform their official duties, alien entering. Okay. So let's say you have a work contract to work in Georgia, like you have been offered a job in Georgia by an employer. So you will go for D1 category. Again, there are many other categories, and so we'll go from here, like D1 category. I click on next. Now this is the fee, and you see that it has been outsourced to VFS Global. We'll go through that. We'll open VFS site also, and they have tariff discount, like they can uh, wipe out the fee, like they can give you 100% discount if you fall into these categories. So I select no because I assume you don't fall. Okay, now comes the online application. So yeah, here you have to pay the fee, and you also have to upload all the documents, and then you have to take them to VFS. We'll go through VFS. First is to upload the photograph. They have given the specification, name details. It's very simple. Fields that are mandatory are marked with red sign. Okay. Contact information in the country of residence. So you're Indian if you're Indian. Okay. If you have Schengen members, do you have youth member active applied recurrent visa? Okay. Do you have any other country? Yeah, very simple questions. You can they have places to write down comments also. If you have a representative, you can add this occupation, planned visit, purpose of visit. This is very important. I'll select employment. Okay. What position? Multiple, your education, expected payment. Wow. Have you been? I select no, but if you select yes, they will ask you more questions. Still last year, any country you have visited? If you have ever been rejected, Georgian visa, criminal case, disease, public gender, your address during visit, comments. If you have anyone accompanying, upload documents, upload all required documents. Now the question comes, what documents are you going to upload, right? So that we are going to find from VFS. So this is the VFS site, okay? VFS India and for Georgia and long-term immigration visa. So if you go down, they have given the fee, okay, visa fee. So visa fee they have given, okay, USD, and there's a service fee for VFS and along with some value added services that you may or may not take. That's fine. But we are more interested in documents required. So this is the checklist for visa and D1 category. So I'm going to open that. So this is the one. You have like visa application, travel document, your passport, visa fee, ticket purchased, business contract. Okay, whichever is applicable to you. Accommodation information, proof of financial fund, invitation notarized from Georgia. Okay, amount of salary, sponsors letter I told you, travel and health insurance thing. Okay, and your signature and VFS signature. Then you can book an appointment with VFS. You can go there and then you can submit and then they will take it up from there. If it is granted, you are all good. You can see the processing time for application is 10 working days. So that's good. So hopefully things will go smooth for you and you have got an idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.